Hey guys, today we're going to be doing the other half of part 2, 5 against 4 polyrhythms. Now, before when we were doing this, what we were doing was trying to find which stroke the 1 of the 5 count lands on with our 4-note stroking pattern. And it landed on the down thumb, then the up thumb, then this finger and that finger. And it went in sequential order for the 1 of the 5 count lands. But now if we do the other approach, we're going to try and find where the first stroke in the finger pattern lands in the count of the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So I'm counting to 5 with 4 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Count, that's the strokes I'm doing. If you look here, so now here we're going to try and find where the first stroke of our 4-note pattern lands on which number of the 5-note rhythm that we're doing here. So there's our first note, there's our first note, there's our first note, there's our first note, and there's our first note. Pretty sequential, right? So as you can see with our count, our finger pattern is going to reset with the first stroke of the pattern. First, obviously, on the first note, the 1, and then on the 5, then on the 4, then on the 3, then on the 2. So that's just a little different way to think about it. Instead of always looking for where the 1 lands on in the finger pattern, you can look where the first stroke of the finger pattern lands on in the counting. So you'll have seen a good way of finding where the downstroke lands in the 5 count. And if you notice, it goes 1, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 5, 4, 3, 2. It's the same as any other polyrhythm that you're trying to count, where the 2 digits that you're working with are only 1 number away from each other. It's just going to go in sequential order. So, if we exaggerate the down thumb on our 5 count, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So I hope you guys try mixing these up, the A and the B sections of these lessons, whether you're looking for your first note in the thumb stroke or whether you're looking for the 1 of the count that's going on in your head. I hope you guys practice mixing them up in between each other. Let me know down in the comments section below if you have any trouble with this exercise, if you want to see anything else that'll help you get to the point where you can practice this. If you know anybody that thinks they would really get a benefit from this, make sure you show it to them. And we'll be back more with this polymetric slap bass series. See you later, guys. If you have any thoughts or if you have any opinions on what you've seen in my channel here today, leave it in the comments section below, and you know, hit that share, hit that subscribe, consider checking out my Patreon, and in that way we can all work together to make the world a better place for the bass players online and here on YouTube.